Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a whole folder from Google Drive onto your computer. This is useful when you want to have all your files offline or you want to save them on your hard drive. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the folder you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top if you have many folders. Now, once you find the folder, right-click on the folder. A menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click on Download. Google Drive will start preparing that folder. It will compress the whole folder into a zip file. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on how large the folder is and how many files are inside it. After the zip file is ready, it will automatically start downloading to your computer. You'll see it appear at the bottom of your browser or in your Downloads area. When the download is complete, go to your computer's Downloads folder. You'll see the zip file there. Double-click the zip file to open it. Then extract or unzip the file so you can see all the original files and folders inside. Now, you have all your Drive files stored right on your computer. You can open them, copy them, edit them, or move them wherever you want without needing internet. And that's it. That's how you download a whole Google Drive folder to your computer. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Drive tutorials. Thanks for watching.